Make vegetable beef barley soup. If you like a warm and hearty soup, vegetable beef barley is the way to go. It's chock full of nutrients and flavor. A bowl of this soup is just the thing to have on a cool winter night, or if you want something filling and satisfying. Here's how to make a vegetable beef barley soup. Prepare your ingredients. You will need 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 large onion chopped, 4 stalks of celery sliced, 4 large carrots diced, 4 large potatoes diced, 1 can of button mushrooms, a cup of green beans cut into ½ an inch each, 2 liters of beef broth, a cup of barley, ½ a pound of beef chuck or sirloin cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. If you have other vegetables in season, you can also include it in the soup, such as peas, corn, and turnips. Use a crockpot. If you have a crockpot, this is one of those dishes perfect for slow cooking. If you have a pressure cooker, it is also ideal to use. If you have neither one of these, make do with a large pot with a lid. You will also need a wooden spoon for stirring the ingredients. Sauté the ingredients together. Place a pot over medium heat. Add the oil and sauté the garlic, onions, and celery together. When the onions are transparent, add the beef. Sear the beef a bit. Add a cup of warm or hot water to the pot. Cover the pot. Simmer the meat to soften. Boil the meat to allow it to cook properly. If you have a crock pot, transfer the items to the crock pot and allow to cook for 2 to 3 hours. If you are cooking over a stove, it should take at least an hour to get the desired doneness of the meat. You may need to add more water as needed to prevent the soup from drying out. Add half of the beef broth to the mixture and cover. Add the barley. When the water has boiled and the meat is ready, add the remaining half of the beef broth. Next, add the barley. Do not use instant or quick cooking barley. Let the mixture boil together. Add more stock or water as needed. Stir the pot to avoid sticking. Add the vegetables. When the mixture boils again, you may now add the remaining vegetables. Start with the carrots and potatoes since these take a while to cook. Stir the pot and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Next, add the green beans. Do not use frozen vegetables when you are making this. Finally, add the mushrooms. If you want to use corn, add it when you are almost done. Allow the soup to simmer together. Add salt and pepper as needed and the Worcestershire sauce. Taste the soup to make sure it's not over-salted. If you want a bit of spice, add in a bit of cayenne pepper. Ladle the soup into individual serving bowls. Serve with a few slices of bread with butter. You'll love the rich flavor of this soup. Bon appétit!